Guys, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here, having a good old time. We've been filming cooking video after cooking video, having a blast. This one's going to be delicious. This is going to be, well, I guess you can say it's going to be made healthy. Okay, so we're going to take the taco ingredients and we're not going to put them on tortillas. We're going to put them on, they're called jicama wraps. And I just heard about these. And the tortilla jicamas, or tortillas made out of jicama, I guess. But anyway, so basically, when you're eating a taco, all you need, I could put the filling in my hand and just eat it. All you need is a delivery system. So we're going to use these wraps for these tacos. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be spicy. It's going to be shrimpy. We're going to love it. So come on in close and we'll run over all the ingredients with you, okay? All right, guys, so the hot thing in this dish is the jicama wraps. We got them at Trader Joe's. So you can take a look at your local Trader Joe's and see if they have jicama wraps. That's what we're using as our taco shells, okay? All right, guys, so we got Mexican Tajin seasoning. We've got cilantro dressing. We got chipotles and adobo sauce. We got some minced garlic, some shrimp, some lemons, some chopped up onions, cilantro fresh, red cabbage, green cabbage, some limes, some shredded cheese, and I think that covers it all. Okay, we got to make our drizzle sauce, okay? This is probably the hardest step in the whole recipe. This is full of adobo sauce with chipotle peppers in it, okay? So you need to get the sauce off the peppers. So you probably want a food glove, okay? So you can pull the peppers out. Now, if you want it spicy, you can always chop one of the peppers up and leave it in. But right now, we're going to open this and separate the peppers out of the adobo sauce and put it in here, the adobo sauce, okay? So let's do that right now. So we're going to kind of give you an example of kind of how to pull the peppers out. So you dump everything, scrape it all into the bowl, and then get in there with your glove and pull the whole peppers out. If you want to leave the small ones in, you can. But we're trying to create a kind of a cilantro aioli drizzle sauce, okay? So we're taking our cilantro dressing and our Mexican seasoning and all. Oh, no, we're not using it. Sorry. Forget that. I don't know why I grabbed that. That's for the shrimp. So you can see she's separating all the peppers out. She wipes the sauce off because we want the sauce, and then we'll show you what to do after that. Tammy did an amazing job. There's still little bits of chipotle peppers in there. Some of them kind of broke up a little bit, so you may not get them all, but get most of the peppers out and just save the sauce, okay? Then we could not find, the recipe asks for cilantro aioli. Couldn't find that at our store, so we're just using a cilantro dressing. We're going to mix that in. Whoa. Came out fast. Yeah, there you go. Okay. And we're going to take a little lime juice. Drizzle that in. There we go. And give that a good mix. This is your drizzle sauce for your tacos. Looking good. So I'm going to give it a taste. Hopefully it's not too hot. Give that a taste real quick. Oh, a little hot. A little hot. A little hot. A little hot. Help. Ugh. All right, guys, we got the deveined shrimp right there, the shelled and deveined. So we got a whole bowl of it. Take a little bit of olive oil. There you go. Give it a good mix so that all the olive oil is coated in the shrimp. We're taking this seasoning. The recipe asks for blackened seasoning, but we like this a little bit better, so we're using this. This is called the It's Tajin, and it's kind of a Hispanic flavor. It's really good. So I'm going to pop one of these open. There we go. Okay. Toss it around. All right. A little olive oil in the pan. There we go. Go ahead and light your stove up. Make sure you got a flame. Yep, got a flame. Go ahead and heat that up. Get your minced garlic. Throw it in the pan. I'm doing 2 spoonfuls. There we go. Get your onions. Throw them in the pan. Whoops, lost one. Get over here, dude. You're not getting away from me. There you go. Give it a good mix around. Okay, we just finished sauteing the onions and garlic. Now it's the shrimp time. A little bit of olive oil in the pan. Ready? Mm-hmm. Put the shrimp in. We're going to put some cilantro in there. A little lime juice. Give it a good mix. About 3 to 4 minutes, just trying to heat up that shrimp. It's cold right now. Soften up that cilantro. Get that lime flavor all within it all. Okay, so Tammy and I decided to try and dry out the jicama wraps a little bit. So we're dropping them on a hot pan. See if that works. Total experiment. Okay guys, so we've been drying out this jicama to see if we can get it like a tortilla. Take some of the moisture out of it. Uh-oh. Don't want to ruin that. Ow! That's hot. There we go. Get a little crispier. Alright, you can see we got 3 kind of jicama tortillas on this plate. It's white on white. It's hard for you to see, but they're there. Trust me. So let's start with the cold salad as a base. The cold cabbage. Just a little bit. I'm not putting a lot because I don't know how strong these are. I've never used these. So we'll put a little pinch on each one. There you go. Okay. Take a little cheese on each one. There we go. Take a little bit. We're going to grab some onions now. Little pinch right there. Don't put too much on your first time because you're trying to figure out how much these jicama tortillas will hold. Okay. There you go. We're good with that. A little bit more right there. There we go. And then a little shrimp on each one. I don't care how much shrimp you put on there, it's all good. Oops, making a mess. There we go. I think we're good. Now it's time to top them off with a little drizzle sauce. All right, guys. First time ever making jicama tacos, and I gotta tell you, they look pretty good. Let's see if we can hold one in our hand. Gotta be careful picking it up so it doesn't tear. There we go. That's pretty good. I'm totally surprised. So I kind of do recommend that you toast them a little bit. Get some of the moisture out. That kind of helped to be able to hold these. Yeah, but what I realize is I can put the whole thing in my mouth. If you're able to have regular tortillas, this is even more of a home run. Try this out. Let me know what you think. And I love you guys. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.